Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an authentic ramen dish, focusing on the essential steps for a truly exceptional bowl. We begin with the heart of any great ramen, the broth. This foundational element requires dedication, simmering pork bones, chicken feet, and aromatic vegetables for at least 8 hours. This long, slow cook extracts maximum flavor and collagen, resulting in a rich, opaque, and deeply satisfying liquid that forms the soul of your ramen creation. Next, let's talk about the noodles, which are just as crucial as the broth. Always opt for fresh, alkaline ramen noodles to achieve that perfect springy texture and satisfying chew. Cook them precisely for only 60 to 90 seconds. Overcooking is a common mistake. While your noodles cook, prepare your essential toppings, such as tender chashu pork, perfectly marinated ajitama eggs, and crisp sheets of nori seaweed, adding layers of flavor and visual appeal. Now, let's unlock the secret to ramen's incredible depth: the tear. This concentrated seasoning is what truly defines your ramen's unique flavor profile. It's a precise blend, often combining soy sauce, mirin, sake, and dashi, creating a harmonious balance of umami and savory notes. Don't forget the aroma oil. A drizzle of fragrant garlic or scallion oil adds another layer of complexity and a beautiful sheen to your finished bowl, elevating every spoonful. Finally, it's time for the grand assembly. Warming your serving bowls beforehand is a small but crucial step, ensuring your ramen stays hot longer. First, add your tear, then the hot broth, followed by the perfectly cooked noodles. Arrange your carefully prepared toppings artfully on top, creating a visually stunning and delicious masterpiece. Serve your ramen immediately to savor the optimal temperature, texture, and incredible flavors you've meticulously crafted. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.